Shalom, Saints. If you are a part of a community or a home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. Bless you.
Father, give me a clean heart and burn my mind. Keep my feet from slipping on this climb.
All right, shalom, Israel. Good seeing y'all. So, I always start off the statement like this: welcome home. Hallelujah.
Praise Yahweh in all of the earth. Praise Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. Now is the judgment of this old world. If your name be lifted up in all the earth, you will draw all men unto you. Praise Yahweh for his truth. Praise Yahweh. Praise Yahweh in all of the earth. Praise Yahweh in all of the earth. Praise Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. Set your ways before me. Your statute laws are holy. Give me that life more abundantly. Praise Yahweh. Praise Yahweh in all of the earth. Praise Yahweh in all of the earth. Praise Yahweh. Praise Yahweh.
trust Yahweh, man. Always put your trust in Him.
Be blessed and trust in Yahweh.
Remember to trust Yahweh, man. Always put your trust in Him.
Be blessed and trust in Yah.
Oh, give thanks unto Yah, for He is good, and His mercy forever endures. Let Israel say, Yah's mercy is here to stay. Always seek Yah and find Him. In Him we live, move, and have our being. Seek Yah and find Him. In Him we live, move, and have our being.
Let's go.
Remember to trust Yahweh, man. Always put your trust in Him.
Be blessed and trust in Yahweh.
Remember to trust Yahweh, man. Always put your trust in Him.
Be blessed and trust in Yah.
If you are a part of a community or home assembly within Straitway and interested in submitting a video for Straitway TV, please have your leadership reach out to Michael Israel. We welcome more righteous content.